Well, I'm Avijit Yadav. I work for GLA Property Management. I'm the Chief Operating Officer. Yes, well, we are a fully owned subsidiary of the Tamdeen Group in Kuwait, right? Tamdeen Group builds malls and we manage their malls. So some of the key properties that we are currently managing is 360 Mall, which is undergoing an expansion. We manage the Al Quoth Mall in Kuwait, which is also undergoing an expansion. We are building a new mall in Kuwait called Al Khiran Mall, which is an outlet center, which is a new format. We're building another community center and a couple of other projects. So we've got a lot going on actually right now in Kuwait. Well, I've been part of the MECSC for 21 years and part of the ICSC for I think since 1995. Well, you know, the event has grown. I mean, it's evident in the numbers that we are kind of getting. I think it's become much more sophisticated. One of the biggest benefits of coming to this event is that we network with the industry professionals. You know, you meet people from all kinds of walks of life. You meet people from the industry. You meet people who are suppliers, vendors to the industry. You meet people who are interested in the industry. So there's a lot that happens in these 2 days, 2 or 3 days that you get together. I think the biggest benefit is networking. We are able to network with so many people from so many companies and so many walks of life. It's just amazing. You benefit from the presentations that you have over here. Every year there is an attempt to get people who are inspiring, people who are experts in the content area, so that you are able to sort of learn something also. So that's another great thing that happens when you come for these conferences. See, education, I mean, the ICSC and MECSC have got different products for that, I think the Recon is basically a conference, and it's an annual conference where you get together, you connect. Connections are very important in our business. You connect, you network, you learn, from conversations with each other. You learn about projects that are going on in the industry, from in different parts, because you don't know what's happening in Saudi Arabia, you know what's happening in other parts of the region. But everybody's showcasing their projects here, so you know what's going on. You talk to them directly, so you understand what's happening, what are the timelines. Retailers, it makes a big difference to them also, because they are here to sort of understand what's going on and where can they find spaces to make their brand successful. So it's a huge opportunity, it's a huge opportunity.